Hello everyone, this is Devil's Advocate. In today's video, I'll be going over DMEHF stock, that is Desert Mountain Energy Corp. The stock is currently at 2.12 US dollars. As you can see, this stock almost doubled in a span of few days. What is this all about? What does Desert Mountain Energy do? Before we get to that, let's read something about helium. Helium is the only element on the planet that is a completely non-renewable resource. Desert Mountain Energy is in the exploration and development of the world's potentially highest grade helium properties and productive rare earth gas properties in the US Southwest. So this is their website. Let me read something about them. Desert Mountain Energy announces significant helium percentages in 2 new wells in Arizona, developing a 85,000 plus acre helium project in the Holbrook Basin, northern Arizona. The Holbrook Basin has the highest helium grades in the world. Helium is irreplaceable in many high-tech applications and there is a global shortage. So we understand that helium is very important and the significance of helium for technology. Helium now plays a critical role in many important technologies and is disproportionately low supply throughout the world. It is important for the manufacture of high-capacity hard drives, barcode readers, computer chips, semiconductors, LCD panels, and fiber optic cable, so on and so forth. Analysts have forecast a raw helium shortage due to dwindling reserves, with year-to-year prices having increased 135% in 2018, and they have experienced management team. His more than 40 years of exploration and operations experience in the Rocky Mountains and mid-continent of the United States. He's the vice president, senior geological consultant with over 30 years experience. He's the director, a seasoned oil field professional, and as a director of DME, he's a valuable asset. And not just helium, DME's secondary focus is developing productive rare earth gas properties located in the US Southwest. With the strong demand for rare earth gases, DME is committed to developing this sector too. Their Holbrook Basin helium project area has among the highest helium grades in the world, ranging from 8% to 10%. Helium properties located in the Holbrook Basin is in the central Arizona, considered the world's best address for helium. And let's read about the latest news releases. Desert Mountain Energy announces purchase of Central Holbrook Basin land for initial processing facility. Desert Mountain Energy announces opening of corporate offices in Arizona. Desert Mountain Energy announces issuance of options. Desert Mountain Energy announces additional select acreage acquisition in Navajo County, Arizona. DME provides guidance on estimated helium reserves on first well, so on and so forth. Now, coming to their investor presentation, let me read this to you. DME's time has come. Desert Mountain Energy announces significant helium percentages in 2 new wells in Arizona. Total number of production wells projected 50 to 55. Gross revenue per well based on crude helium is projected at 8.9 million. Total projected capital expenditure including all drilling and infrastructure over 6 years is 45 million. While the wells will generate this value in 18 months or less. Production starting 4th quarter 2021 with 5 wells will cost 26 million. One thing about this company is there is barely an institutional ownership of the stock. Plus there is this news, City of Flagstaff terminates Memorandum of Understanding for Strategic Regional Development of Helium and Hydrocarbon Resource. The newly elected city council determined that it had not had sufficient opportunity to address community concerns and elected to serve the company with a written 10-day termination notice in accordance with the terms of the MOU. At the same time, the council terminated the related license agreement providing the company with limited access to city control ground at Red Gap Ranch for purposes of seismic studies. So this is somewhat of a concerning news about Desert Mountain Energy, but all in all, keeping the helium demand in view, I guess this stock will go high in the coming years. Again, I am not a financial advisor and I have no position in this stock yet. While the information provided in this video is believed to be accurate, it may include errors or inaccuracies, and I may be totally and completely wrong too. So please do your own research before investing. Thank you.